racing just started. We have Manila's Gem. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Playmaker Don Alejandro comes next. Material Ruler Ipira in the middle portion. Hurricane Ali well on this from is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back where Playmaker now takes command. Don Alejandro is on the outside. Manila's Gem is racing in third. Ipira comes next, then followed by Material Ruler. Hurricane Ali is down on the inside, and a long way back to Andy's Rum, who's still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Playmaker Don Alejandro. Manila's Gem moving up down on the inside. It's now Manila's Gem by about half length. Don Alejandro the outside. Down on the inside, Playmaker Ripira. Then comes Material Ruler. Hurricane Ali comes next, and a long way back to Andy's Rum, who's still racing in last as they swing for home. We have Manila's Gem. Don Alejandro is on the outside. Ripira comes next with about 150 meters more to run. Manila's Gem followed by Don Alejandro the outside, and finally it's going to be Manila's Gem. Second is Don Alejandro, Ipira, Material Ruler, Hurricane Ali, Playmaker, and Andy's Rum.
2735 unofficial. Forecast.